Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Arif and I'm working at Gray McKenzie Engineering Services Dubai as a quality management representative. I just recently completed my training from Gloal Consultancy UK for Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certifications and cleared my certification examination from International Lean Six Sigma Institute. I was asked about the feedback for this training course from management of Gloal Consultancy, and yes, my feedback is positive. And instead, this was a wonderful learning experience. Especially, the most excited thing about this training course was its self-paced learning method and lifetime access to the training content, including all recorded training lectures, and that were also supported by world-class case studies as well. And the trainers were also very competent yes, I recommend this training to all the people who are passionate about Lean Six Sigma studies. Thank you.